Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your device runs a supported OS and that you are signed into the account you'll use to locate it. Enable location services, Wi-Fi or mobile data, and device-level permissions for the Find My service. Once done, open the official Find My app or settings page and install updates if required. This early setup matters because accurate location and account linkage are what allow remote commands like ring, lock, or erase to work reliably. Now you enable the core features and sync them across devices. In Settings, turn on the Find My toggle and share My location for linked accounts. Make sure devices appear in the same account list. Configure recovery options such as a secondary email, phone number, and two-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized access. Then confirm remote actions, ring, lock, locate, and erase, are permitted. This step ensures you can take immediate, secure actions if the device goes offline or moves. Finish by testing and knowing what to do if things go wrong. From a different device or web portal, perform a locate and trigger a ring to confirm connectivity. Make sure location updates appear. If the device is stolen or compromised, enable lost mode to show contact info and lock it, or remotely erase as a last resort. If location fails, check account sync, permissions, and the device's last known location. As a troubleshooting tip, restart the device and reauthorize location services to restore tracking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.